Read before you click the checkout. Our Corona lever lock is keyless. This kind of lock is for privacy in bathroom. Material, stainless steel. Adjustable backset, 60 millimeters. Door thickness, 35 millimeters. Flange diameter, 17 millimeters. Type, tubular lock. Complete accessories. ANSI Grade 3 compliant. Tested up to 200,000 turn cycles. Function, privacy inside, push bottom locks outside. No keys are included. We also have antique brass. But the flange diameter of antique is smaller than stainless steel. Diameter, 60 millimeters. All clear and all set. Shop now here at Magnificent.